Want to turn a boring FAQ list into a high-engaging design asset? Today, we are mastering the ElementsKit FAQ widget. Works perfectly with the free versions of both Elementor and ElementsKit. You can use the Layout Library. ElementsKit comes with beautiful ready-made FAQ templates that you can insert with one click into the dashboard. So from the Sections tab, I'm searching for FAQs. So here's a lot of options. You just have to choose the one you need. Then click the Insert button. Then it will be on your dashboard. So once you have uploaded the template to your desired page, go under the Content tab settings. And the good part is that adding FAQs content is seamless. Add your questions, drop in your detailed answers, and use the active toggle to keep the most important info open. So here we have the Content tabs. So I can change the questions. Basically, I can change the title here, then I can change the details as well. For this section, you can edit this and this one. You can also add extra items as per your need. And there is another option which is called FAQ schema. If you open it, it will show like that. So I'm keeping it as closed. Then we have the Style tab. So it is for the UI masterclass. In the Style tab, we control the footprint, adjust the width for readability, and add generous padding to give your content room to breathe. So you can change the title color. You can also change the typography. Here, you can change the size, the width, and then transform style, decoration, etc. We have another option called background type. I'm keeping it as classic, but if you want, you can use the gradient version. Then we have border type. Here it is default. You can choose the solid, the double one, dotted one, the one you need. After that, there are options called title padding and title margin. In title padding, you can change the padding options top, right, bottom, and left. In the title margin, we have options, the same options also. And then the last option is the content. Here, you can change the color of the content, the typography, and the background type. There are other options, the border radius, and content padding and content margin also. So if you want to change the border radius, you want a round shaped corner, so you can change or edit from border radius option. So I'm keeping the edges sharp. After that, the Advanced tab. Here we have advanced options. If you want to make your dashboard look more unique, you can change the settings from here. So yeah, that was all. And that's it. With ElementsKit, you get high efficiency, zero fluff, and professional aesthetics. That's the ElementsKit advantage. Hit subscribe to level up your workflows. See you in the next video.